Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Whether it's tea, coffee, or hot chocolate, it tastes always better when it's in a mug hand-painted by the hearts we love. In this video, I will be showing you how I made this Monogram mug that was hand-painted by my daughter and my two nieces. So let's get started. Let's start by opening up our Cricut design space and heading to our project section and searching for mugs. Then we're going to click on Mug Design Setup. This is going to open up the option for a blank mug design, and we're going to choose the small straight edge. Once that's selected, you can click on Customize and it will open up your canvas section from your Cricut design space. Then I changed the background color to white since I'm going to be doing this on a laser copy paper. From there, I went to my images section and started searching for monograms. First, I went to the operation type and selected Draw Only to only get images that are drawn. Then in the search bar, I typed down monogram to get all the images that Cricut Design Space that are monograms. Once that opens up, I start scrolling down and search for a monogram that I particularly like. By the way, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, click that bell notification button so you can be notified about our videos. We post videos every Monday. Once I find a monogram that I particularly like, I'm going to click on the I button. And this is going to show me View Images Sets. This is going to give me all the images from that same set. I'm going to start choosing all the letters that I need for my project. In this case, I'm going to choose the M, the A, and the letter O. Once I'm done selecting all the letters, I click on Insert Images and it will appear in my canvas. I arrange all the images in the order that I particularly like. And make sure that all the letters are nice and centered on the project, and then we're done. Once that part of rearranging is done, I'm going to save my project to make sure that I don't lose it. In this case, I'm just going to change the name and put it as OAM, Grandma Mug. And I'm also going to select the collection Mugs and Family Project, just so that I can know where to find it if I need to either look for it under Family or Mugs. Once that's done saving, I'm going to change all the letters and make sure that all of them are selected under Fine, Black Infusible ink. We're going to be using Fine since the kids are going to be using the colors in markers in order to fill in the centers. Once you're done selecting that, we can go ahead and click on Make It, and remember to toggle in the mirror option. Click on the Continue button and start preparing your machine for cutting. I'm going to select the laser copy paper because this is what I'm using. If you're using a sublimation paper, you should select that now. The program is prompting me to put in the black 0.4 infusible ink pen. I place it into the machine and press the Go button. Machine is done drawing, it will start cutting the shape, and once that's done, you can just remove it from the machine and get the kits ready for painting. I'm taping down the piece of paper on my table, and I'm also placing a couple of other cardstocks covering the other letters because I don't want the girls to see the colors the other girls has drawn so that they don't get inspiration from the other ones and do their own design. Even though I'm doing this, I do not recommend to let any child do this by themselves. Not only because you need to make sure that they don't ruin the tip of the marker, but also because these markers are not your regular markers. So they do have toxic chemicals in it, and you shouldn't let a child use them unsupervised. When it was my daughter's turn to start drawing, I forgot one little detail. She was so small, she couldn't fit on top of the table. So I started recording from a different angle so you can see how she's drawing. Once the kids were done drawing their painting, I removed the paper from the table and prepared to place it into my Cricut Mug Press machine. I will be making a separate video to show how to sublimate your mugs in the Cricut Mug Press machine. And here it is. Here's the mug that was drawn by the kids and then sublimated on a mug. It makes a beautiful gift. I gave this mug to my mom, and all the initials that you're seeing on the mug are from all of her granddaughters. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did and you'd like to support our channel, you can do so through our Patreon account. You can support our channel with just $1 a month. But if you'd like to support a little bit more, we have different rankings which you can support in. And we have up to $40 which you can actually get a gift delivered to you through your mail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was informational for you and educative, and I hope to see you again next week. Take care.